So today's recipe we're going to be doing a lemon posset, which is one of my personal favourite recipes, purely because it consists of just 3 ingredients. So we've got cream, so double cream, sugar and lemon. And then we're going to serve that with some beautiful forced Yorkshire rhubarb. So we've got forced Yorkshire rhubarb, some ginger and a little bit of hibiscus as well, just to add some colour and a little bit of flavour. So for this recipe we're going to use the Global Fluted Santoku knife from the Little Essentials range. So this recipe is super simple. We're going to start with our lemon posset. So we need to add our cream, sugar and lemon zest to a pan, and then we're going to bring that to the boil and turn it down to a simmer. Whilst it's simmering, we're going to juice our lemons, and then once it's been simmering for 3 minutes, we add our lemon juice, bring it back to the boil, and then we're going to pass that through a sieve to make sure there's no lumps in there. Then we're going to go into our serving glasses and then straight into the fridge. It needs about 4 hours in the fridge, but ideally overnight, just to make sure it's set. So for the poached Yorkshire rhubarb, we're going to top and tail the rhubarb and then place it in a vacuum packed bag. We're going to add the sugar, ginger and hibiscus, and then we're going to seal it, and we're going to drop that into a preheated water bath at 72 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Once it's had 12 minutes, it's nice and tender. We're just going to chill that down, ready for service. The service for this dish couldn't be any simpler. We're just going to chop our rhubarb into 1 centimetre pieces. We're going to take our posset out of the fridge and then arrange the rhubarb on top nicely, and then it's ready to serve. Here we've got our lemon posset with poached Yorkshire rhubarb, and we're serving that with the Barlow cutlery range, which is perfect with the teaspoon just to dig in.